Ibok, Ete, Equaribas, Representative of Rivers State, all protocols to be observed.
I, Ibibia Lucky, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, so help me God. Do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as Secretary to the Government, Rivers State, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithful policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions, that I will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will abide by the Code of Conduct contained in the 5th Schedule to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that in all circumstances of favor, affection, or ill will, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as Secretary to the Government, Rivers State, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Secretary to the Government, Rivers State. So help me God.
Start by congratulating the newly sworn-in Secretary to the Rivers State Government, Professor Ibibia Lucky. Professor Worika's appointment is not merely an administrative decision. It is a statement of intent. His unparalleled expertise in law, policy, and international governance aligns perfectly with our mission to restore law, order, integrity, and public trust in Rivers State. To our new SSG, the task ahead is onerous, but your track record leaves no doubt in our minds that you will prove your mettle. Rivers State needs your intellect, grit, and unwavering dedication. Together, we will write a new chapter of progress for this great state. Like I mentioned in my maiden address, this administration is committed to delivering an effective governance, one anchored on transparency, accountability, and service. Professor Worika's role will be critical in driving this vision, ensuring that every policy, every decision, and every action is in consonance with this administration's mandate to restore law and order, stabilize the polity, and to create the necessary conditions for the full restoration of democratic institutions and representations. You have no time to settle down. You must roll up your sleeves and get to work with the team. Our civil servants, with whom we will work closely to run this administration, are critical stakeholders, and we must work with them to ensure that the state continues to function effectively during this administration. To the permanent secretaries and civil servants as a whole, Once more, I will ask for your kind cooperation and support as we work to achieve our objectives at this time. May God help us all. May God bless Rivers State, and may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.